If you're like most online marketers, you've tried just about everything to get traffic to your websites. You've bought courses that promised to solve your traffic problems that left you hanging. You've invested in traffic software that was complicated, clunky, and failed to deliver. You've invested money in paid traffic methods that just don't work. Or you've wasted countless hours trying to get free traffic from the search engines. Now, here is a brand new software that delivers. It is called the Push Button Traffic software, and it delivers. Push Button Traffic 3 means money making. Push Button Traffic software gets you traffic from social media. Also, from search engines and other traffic sources. This is one of the most cost-effective ways to make money online. Check it out by clicking the link below now.